Hi, my name is Christian Dietrich, and this is my 1982 DeLorean, the number 11035. And this is a quick demonstration of David McKeen's LED HVAC light board, while also having his fan unit and fan fail control module installed. This is a demonstration to show you what it looks like. They come in either blue or green, so here it is in blue. Now, when you have his fan switch and fan fail control module, he has a little feature that's right here. Now you see it's blue because the light kind of bleeds through. But when you turn your AC compressor on, it now turns green to show you that both of your cooling fans are running normally and everything is okay. When you shut it off, your fans will go into like a cool down mode, and it runs for something like 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see, it's now shut off. You see that little fan indicator letting you know it's still on, and in a moment here you'll see it shut off. And there you go, it fades out. And to show you better how it looks, just shut everything off. And there you go. Since the board is all in blue, the fan is in green. If you get a green board, it will be a blue fan logo. And here it is turned off. And there you have it. So it's definitely a very nice upgrade and gives you a nice peace of mind. Also, it makes the fan fail light flash once for one fan and multiple times for both fans if they're both inoperable. Thank you again for watching.